Hello, my Kandor crafters. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're loyal, welcome back. So today I have a Canva tutorial for you guys. I know you've been asking, and I felt like this would be the perfect project for beginners, especially small business owners. This is a great way to help promote your business and also give your new customers just a little discount. So these are little scratch offs that I made in Canva, but I will be recreating it using only free Canva elements and stuff because I know everyone doesn't have a pro account like I do. But if you want to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, I will have the link in the description box below, as well as everything that I used. If you want to learn how to just bulk create, I do have some chapter markers. You can just go ahead and skip to that section of the video. But if you're here for the long haul, stay tuned. I will show you guys how I made 50 different unique codes, where to get them, how to get them for free, and how to do it without manually doing it. First, you're going to make a design, and it's going to be 2 inches by 3.5 inches. Make sure that you change the inches first, or they will make you redo it. Or you can just type in small business cards, and it should pop up from there. And to be honest, even with the free account, Canva still has a lot of templates to choose from, and a lot of them are really good. But I'm just going to do mine from scratch. And my brand colors are pink and purple, so that's what I'm going for. And I'm doing like a gradient effect, so I'm just going through, and you can use filters where filter out just the free stuff, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to use the pink and purple gradient to get that. Then I'm going to just go find a crystal ball. I found this one, and then I just added some stars around it to just give it a little extra razzle dazzle. And of course, on the inside, that's where the code is going to go. Also, I want to note that you want to make sure that your crystal ball or whatever image you choose is 1 inch, because that's how big the stickers are. The stickers are 1 inch, so you want to make sure your image is at least 1 inch big, so your code can fit inside and they can't see it, because the whole purpose is for them to scratch it off. I will put the fonts and stuff that I use on the screen as well, but I do use Brassica, which is a free font. And for the second font, I used Nor'Wester. Then lastly, for the little banner at the bottom, the last font I used was Tan Tasiki Wood. Now, I know I said that wrong, but like I said, it will be on the screen, and it will also be in the description box below, all the fonts that I used. Now, to get the codes, all I did was Google code generators, and I clicked on Voucherify. Now, when you go to Voucherify, you're going to type in how many codes you want and how long you want them to be. I chose 50 and 5, and here is very important. Do not click copy to clipboard. You have to highlight all of them and then copy it to your clipboard, because when you go to copy it, it's going to do it all in the same column, and you don't want that. So for the filler word, I just put code, and then you're going to go down where it says apps, and then click on bulk create, and then you're going to enter your data in manually. It's going to give you a sample. You're going to press clear table, and at the top you're going to put code, and then that's where you're going to paste all your codes. Now, once you go there, you're going to click on the word that says code, click on the little 3 dots, and go to connect data. When you connect the data, it's going to say that's going to be your data that you're going to connect it to. And then it's going to say create or continue, generate all 50 designs, and then it's going to open up a new tab with all of your designs. Next, you're going to save it as a PDF file. That way, all of your codes are going to be in one place, because if you don't do that, it's just going to save as a zip file, and then you won't be able to put all your pages on one. So that's very important. Make sure you save it as a PDF print file. And then from there, when you print it out, you're going to want to put 6 per page, because that's going to make those the perfect size. You want to do it 6 per page, and then you're going to scale it to fit to the printable area. And then you print it out. You'll have 6 on each page, and then you just have to manually cut it. Or if you have a Cricut, you can do it that way, but I feel like it's just easier to hand cut them because you'll get more precise cuts. And if you're like me, who has a little banner at the bottom, I don't have time for my Cricut to be off track and to cut my information in half. I would be upset. So I was like, I'm gonna just hand cut it and go from there. And now for the fun part, which is actually putting the stickers on. Like I said earlier, make sure that your image is at least 1 inch because the stickers are 1 inch. And also, I really feel like these came out perfectly. I did use Dollar Tree photo paper, so it was very inexpensive to make these. And then the sticker sheets were only like $5 for a pack of 150. So like I said, this is a very inexpensive project and a great way to market your business. I am degreed in business administration, so you know, your girl kind of know what she's talking about. No, just kidding, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and share it to your other fellow business owners, because this year, yes, we're going to make this small business into a big business. I hope big blessings for all my small business owners out there. We making money this year. So thanks again for watching. Thanks again for sticking around. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, my Kandor crafters.